Well, the last time I saw my mother was when she was in hospital, and my dad was obviously in the throes of having to send me away. And I can remember the last time I saw her was when my dad took me to see her, obviously to say goodbye. And the last thing I remember about that is being taken down the ward with my mother screaming out that she wouldn't see me again, you know. Sort of odds and ends like that, you know. It's and when she did die, I was already in Carshalton Hospital. I was there all over for 2 years, from the age of 5 until I was 7. We just turned 7, and I can remember the old man coming up and he gave me a train set, one of these things, you know, a few rails in a circle and the engine, wind-up key and antenna and this, that and the other, and I was playing with that, and he said, "Your mum's died, Ron." And I said, "Has she?" It didn't mean a thing to me. Didn't mean a thing to me because I hadn't had her around for so many years. You know, I'd been in hospital, in the Dartford Hospital with the dip, and then in Carshalton, and I had no contact.